Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Pooja and today we are going to do yoga poses for lower back pain. The lower back pain is sensitive spot for many people. While there can be a ton of causes of lower back pain, a weak core and poor postures from sitting all day are two really common contributing factors to lower back aches and discomfort. It's always important to figure out what's causing pain so you can address it and prevent it from happening again. But in most situations, doing some gentle yoga can help relieve tightness and give you lower back some relief. So let's get started with our first asana. Knees to chest. First of all, lie down on your back with your arms by your sides, palm facing up. Take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose. Allow your belly to rise on the inhalation and fall on the exhalation. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Continue to breathe slow deep breaths in and out through your nose. You can rock a little from side to side to massage your lower back. Now slowly release and come out of this posture. Now the next asana is reclined pigeon pose. This is also known as figure 4. Lie on your back, cross your left foot over your right quad and bend your right knee. Hold the back of your right leg and gently pull it towards your chest. When you feel a comfortable stretch, hold there for 2 or 3 minutes. Keep breathing. And when you are done, switch side and repeat. Slowly release. Repeat. Now the next asana is cat and cow. Start on all fours with your shoulders over your wrist and hips over your knees in tabletop position. Take a slow inhale and on the exhale, round your spine and drop your head towards the floor. This is the cat position. Inhale and lift your head, chest and tailbone toward the ceiling as you arc your back for cow. Do this for 1 to 3 minutes. Now the next asana is thread the needle. Come onto your hands and knees in tabletop position. Bring your hands directly underneath your shoulders and your knees directly underneath your hips. Inhale. Sweep your right hand up to the sky. Exhale, thread your right hand under your left shoulder and bring your head and shoulder to rest on the mat. You can bring your left hand to your sacrum or take hold of your right thigh to bind the pose. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths on each side, breathing deep into your belly and into your lower back. Now take your left arm and pass it under your right arm, while also rotating the chest to the right. The back of your left hand will rest on the floor with your palm up. Lower your left shoulder as much as you can while also placing the left side of your head onto the floor. Stay here for a few breaths and slowly release and come out of this posture. Now the fifth asana is downward facing dog. Sometimes we feel lower back pains because the back of our legs are so tight. Downward dog is a great way to stretch out our hamstring and calves. If you are extra tight, you can bend your knees a little bit to make the stretch more comfortable. Now let's get started from child's pose. Keep your hands on the floor, sit up on your knees and then lift your butt and press back into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide. Work on straightening your legs and lowering your heels toward the ground. Relax your head between your arms and direct your gaze through your legs or up towards your belly button. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. And slowly come out of this posture and relax. Now the next asana is Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with your hands underneath your shoulders. Bring your arms into your chest without letting your elbows bend outward. Press into your hands, lifting your upper body opening chest and shoulders. Keep your pelvis grounded to protect and strengthen the lower back. Lift as far as you can, halfway, partway, or the whole way up. Keep a slight bend in your elbows. Exhale and release your body back to the mat, placing hands by your sides. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat few times. Now the next asana is locust pose. Let's get started. Lie on your stomach with your arms next to your torso and your palms facing up. Touch your big toes together and turn out your heels to the side. Place your forehead lightly on the floor. Slowly lift your head, chest and arms partway, halfway or the way up. You may bring your hands together and interlace your fingers behind your back. To deepen the pose, lift your legs. Look straight ahead or slightly upward as you lengthen the back of your neck. Remain in this pose for up to 1 minute. Rest before repeating the pose. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. Now the next asana is the bridge pose. Let's get started. Lie on your back with your knees bent and heels drawn into your sitting bones. Rest your arms alongside your body. Press your feet and arms into the floor as you lift your tailbone up. Continue lifting until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Leave your arms as they are, bringing your palms together with interlaced fingers under your hips or placing your hands under your hips for support. Hold this pose for up to 1 minute. Release by slowly rolling your spine back down to the floor. Drop your knees in together. Relax and breathe deeply in this position. Now the next asana is reclining spinal twist. Let's get started. Lie on your back with your knees drawn into your chest and your arms extended to the side. Slowly lower your legs to the left side while keeping your knees as close together as possible. You may place a pillow under both knees or in between your knees. You can use your left hand to gently press down on your knees. Keep your neck straight or turn it to either side. Focus on breathing deeply in this position. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. Repeat on the opposite side. Stay here for a few breaths. And when you are done, slowly bring your legs back to center and release. Side. Now the last asana is reclining butterfly. Bring your knees back to center and hug them into your chest. Keep your feet together and bring your knees out wide. Lower your feet to the mat and let your knees fall open in the shape of a diamond. If that feels uncomfortable at your lower back, you can draw your feet away from you. Keep your arms by your side or reach them up overhead and take hold of opposite elbows. Relax into the pose for 5 to 10 breaths, breathing to the places where you feel sensation. And now, release your arms, straighten your legs and lie still in final resting pose. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. Allow your whole body to let go of tension and melt into the mat. Relax for a few minutes. And when you are ready, roll up to one side, sit up tall, cross your legs, close your eyes and relax. Thank you for showing up. Hope you have enjoyed my class. See you next time. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Namaste. Thanks for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, comment below and of course subscribe to my channel so you can receive more of my yoga, meditation and health tips. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are down below. Let's spread love and light beyond infinity.